Fire is a part of the ecosystem. Yes, I mean fire. Now let me bring you back to where I am. Can you think of fire that is being set on this land? Yeah, just be calm. You would get it. In areas where we have wildfires across hilly lands, there's a high risk of debris flow or landslides, making it inaccessible for humans to know its recovery strength. A way we want to approach this is to build a model that can forecast the recovery strength of the soil. And in building this model, data is desired. Data on the soil properties such as moisture content, temperature, and even the depth of depletion of the soil. However, this is a vast land that is hazardous and it's very dangerous to access due to its condition. This is where remote sensing comes into play. My name is Elsie Anthonio, and I'm focused on providing technologies that remotely monitors soil properties. From flames to fertility, restoration after fire. Take this scenario. In communicating, I speak in a voice, say voice A. And in a voice twice the speech, you give me a response. Now this is similar here, but what I introduce is a technique that sends this message. And when it gets to me, I'm able to tell the properties in the environment as it switches from voice A to voice B. With this, I can give a comprehensive overview of the soil for our model prediction to tell the recovery of the land after wildfire. Harmonic transponders is a tool here I'm going to use. In this, the harmonic transponder will be deployed across various surfaces of the earth at various depths. Now, one innovative idea is to use drones equipped to take data. These drones will move across the surface of the earth as it takes a comprehensive overview of the soil structure and its properties. With this, I aim at improving the prediction of moisture content and the soil recovery after wildfire distractions. Thank you.